Hello buddies, welcome back, it's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can install apps to your Motorola Moto G23. For that you want to go to your Play Store and then you have apps recommended for you. You have top charts, kids and different categories. You also have games for you, top charts, games for kids, events. You have premium games and you have different categories. You also have books, you have ebooks, audiobooks, genres, top selling, new releases, and top for free. And if we go back to our apps, and if you know the name of an app you want to download, you can just put it in here and look for it, click on it, and then you have more information about it. You have ratings and reviews, and if you're sure to install it, then you can click on install. And now it's installing. Now you can go ahead and uninstall it right here if you don't want it anymore. Open it through the button here, but we can go back and then it pops up here on your home screen, and you can now go to this app and use it as you like. You can also do this as many times as you like. You can download as many apps as you want until your phone is full with apps. Then you just need to see if you need to delete some maybe. So that's how you install apps to your Motorola Moto G23. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.